Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use mixed dry fruits easily. First, gather your favorite dry fruits such as raisins, almonds, and cashews. Make sure they are fresh and dry. If any fruit seems sticky or dusty, give them a quick, gentle wash and pat them completely dry. For larger items, chop them into smaller, bite-sized pieces. This ensures a consistent mix and makes them easier to enjoy. Now let's create your perfect blend. Take all your prepared dry fruits and place them into a large mixing bowl. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a small pinch of your favorite spices, like cinnamon or cardamom. Mix everything together very thoroughly, ensuring every piece is well distributed. Once mixed, transfer your delicious blend into an airtight container. It will stay fresh at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. There are so many simple ways to enjoy your homemade dry fruit mix. Try sprinkling a generous handful over your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a delightful crunch. You can also add about 1/4 of a cup to your favorite smoothie recipe for an extra boost of nutrients. For baking enthusiasts, incorporate about 1/2 cup into muffins or cookies. Or simply grab a small portion as a quick, healthy snack anytime. Beyond their delicious taste, dry fruits offer fantastic health benefits. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, providing a quick and sustained energy boost, ideal for those busy mornings or afternoon slumps. Remember to enjoy them in moderation, as their sugars are concentrated. Don't be afraid to experiment with various fruit combinations to discover your new favorite blend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.